In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books. We'll start right after you sign in. Head to the dashboard, which is your home base for everything. Before you do anything else, make sure your company profile is set up correctly. Add your organization's legal details, business address, base currency, fiscal year, and time zone. If you charge tax, review your tax settings so invoices calculate correctly from day one. Upload a logo so your documents look professional. Taking a few minutes here will save you time and clean up later, because all your transactions will inherit these defaults. Next, look for the Quick Create option on the dashboard. This is the fastest way to add common transactions like invoices. When creating an invoice, choose the customer, set the invoice date, and payment terms. Then add line items with quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes or discounts. You can save as a draft to review later or send it directly by email once you're confident everything looks right. If you plan to accept online payments, you can enable a payment gateway in Settings, and Zoho Books will include a pay link on your invoices. From there, open the Sales module. This area centralizes customers, estimates, sales orders, invoices, and payment receipts. It's where you'll track the full life cycle of a sale. If a customer pays an invoice, record the payment received and deposit it to the correct account, such as your bank or cash on hand. You can also issue credits or refunds when needed and keep an eye on any overdue balances. Now move to Purchases. Here you'll add vendors, record bills, and track expenses. Create vendors with accurate contact details, then enter bills with due dates, item lines, or expense categories, and taxes. Attach receipts or PDFs so your records are audit ready. If you use purchase orders, start them here and convert to bills once the goods or services are received. Open the banking section to connect your bank and bring in transactions automatically. Follow the prompts to link your account securely, then categorize imported transactions to the right income or expense accounts. Use matching to tie bank lines to existing invoices, payments, or bills, and set up simple rules to speed up recurring categorizations. Reconcile regularly so your books match your bank. Finally, visit reports to see how your company's performing. Run your profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, sales and purchase summaries, and aging reports. Adjust the date range, filter by customer or vendor, and compare periods to spot trends. Export or schedule reports if you need to share them. That's the core workflow. Set up your company, create transactions quickly, manage sales and purchases, sync your bank, and monitor results with reports.